Welcome, in front of me is a ESSENTIELB Wooze L, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, just gonna lock the device, and what you want to do is pull out the cover. So I already done most of that, so it's only like one place. There we go. It's holding, and from here you will need to take out the battery. And now SD card goes to the right side right here, and SIM card you can have two. So you have the smallest one goes to the left side right here, and if you have the middle size one, just there we go. And if you have a middle sized one, it would go right over here. Now I only have the adapter, and yeah. So both of them are now in. Let's put back the battery, and you can now turn back the device, turn it back on. And from here, just put in a pin for the SIM card, and you can see that the SIM card is working, and SD card also, judging by the icon right there. So that is how you would insert it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.